Can Cxai go ahead and build upon these gains, or is this a ticker which is here today, gone tomorrow? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Cxai and whether it's a ticker heading from here on out. With that said, guys, let's get breaking down Cxai. So when it comes to this ticker, this is already an extremely volatile ticker with a market cap of only $15 million. So right off the bat, let's head over to our ranking system and put its volatility at all the way at amazing. Now, next, let's talk about the breaking news. What news does this company have? Well, when it comes to the breaking news, the company did have some amazing earnings, which is causing the stock to go absolutely parabolic. So this is a earnings hype talk, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this as also as good. Now, why is it good and not why is it why not amazing? Because the reality is, guys, when it comes to good earnings, unfortunately, what I've realized from my past experience of 8 years of trading, earnings usually fade away, right? Earnings hype usually fades away extremely fast, and the excitement for the stock does really fade away when it comes to earnings plays, right? Oh, they had amazing earnings, oh, yada yada. Now there's a different type of earnings that is, causes a mass rally that is consistently causing the stock to go up, and that would be if the company has turned profitable for its first ever quarter or its first ever year or something like that, which is not what Cxai is experiencing right now, right? Cxai did have a blockbuster year, right? When we go over here, let's see if we can just find it actually, right? So they said they're expecting new customers. Yep, amazing. There we go, right? So it rose from gross margin year, it rose from 82% from 78%, while EBITDA increased 30%, right? So amazing earnings, right? But nothing that causes a massive shock factor of completely changing the trajectory of this company, taking it from being a company that's just wasting cash to profitability, right? So for that reason, we're going to put it as good and not amazing. Now, the next thing we want to talk about is going to be the company's finances, right? So when it comes to Cxai, this is actually a company that does have a lot of cash on hand, right? The company has 32 months of cash left on hand, considering right now they have $6.9 million in cash reserves and cash equivalents, and right now they're burning approximately $650,000 every single quarter, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna rank their cash as good as well. Now, why not amazing? It would be amazing, again, if they were cash flow positive. That's why it's only good. Now, next up, let's talk about the shorts. Let's see what the shorts have been thinking about Cxai and what have they been doing. My apologies for that. When it comes to Cxai, guys, in the past 7 days, the short interest has actually gone ahead and it's been relatively flat. It's just 3.5%. Now, the short interest now today is probably going to have a massive bump to the upside, just considering that the stock did finally get above this $1 level. And if you guys don't know, majority of trading platforms don't allow you to short stocks below $1. Okay, so for that reason, I do think that when it comes to Cxai, the $1 level, it getting above $1 level, a lot of people are going to be a lot more open to shorting it, okay? So there's that. Now, when it comes to Cxai's price action, right, when it comes to Cxai price action and where do I see it heading from here on out from a chart perspective, I believe that it's got strong support, of course, at this around the dollar level, right? Around the $1.06-ish is going to have very strong support that it could bounce based off of, and it's kind of found its channel right over here, right? Between 120 to 106, 107-ish, right? Now, if we do get a break above this $1.30 level, we could see the test of $1.50. I think that this $1.44 is a representative of that $1.50 level. But if we do get a clear break of $1.44, then we could easily, again, right, see 150, I already said that, 168 could be on deck, right? And if we break 168, unfortunately, guys, I doubt the stock is going to break above $2, right? Just because of how strong of a resistance this $2 level is for the ticker, I doubt it's going to break the $2 levels based off of good earning news. Again, remember, good earnings is amazing for the longevity of the company, but majority of these stocks, especially how volatile they are, right, they move based off of excitement, right? And it just doesn't have enough pizzazz to it, if you were to put it, right, when it comes to anticipating where the stock is going to be heading from here on out. Now, one more thing, a lot of you guys have been requesting, Sam, I want to trade with you, I want to trade alongside you, yada yada. I got good news for you. If you have at least $30,000 in your portfolio, you can now trade alongside me every single day, and you don't pay me unless I make you money. What am I talking about? Well, we're introducing the Top Trader Academy partnership program, guys, where I go ahead and I actually trade with you guys every single day, and at the end of every single month, however much I made you, you send me 20% of that. So 20% of the gains goes to me, right? I do pretty much 99% of the work, right? But only 20% of the earnings are sent to me. So let's say you have $30,000 and we take that $30,000 to $40,000. That month, you send me a transfer of $2,000, right? And you keep the $8,000. Now, again, this is not just for everyone who can join, right? And I think that, just having the $30,000 is not enough to become a top trader partner. So down below, we did attach a type form for you guys to go ahead and actually fill out. If you guys meet the requirements of what we're looking for as potential partners of the firm, go ahead and actually sign up and we will recruit you and we'll bring you on. Again, after you fill that up, I'll probably give you a call. I'll send you a text to set up a Zoom meeting just because I want to know who I'm dealing with, right? And at the end of the day, guys, you know, this is going to be something that is going to be a long-term thing, right? And anyone who bring on, we are looking for a long-term partnership. But people have been seeing amazing results. People have been seeing absolutely amazing results in the community, and that's why we're introducing this, right? So $41,000 for my man Bigabees the other day. $2,000 for Sean, and $6,000 for Conehead over here, $7,000 over here for Kurt, I believe, $140,000. This was literally April 2nd. This has been the biggest win that we've had in a single day, right? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clap for that, right? This has been the biggest win that we've had up to date, right? To date, this has been the biggest win that we've had. And yeah, I'm proud of it, man. I'm very proud of what we've built here. So if you guys are interested, do check out the Discord, okay? Do check it out and apply for the Top Trader Academy program, right? We're no longer doing the monthly subscription stuff because it just doesn't make sense, guys. It really just doesn't make sense, you know, because why would I charge a monthly payment if I'm sure of my performance, right? If I know I'm gonna hit a certain amount, a certain quota every single month, why would I go ahead and just, you know, sell myself short for $100 a month or $200 a month, even $400 a month, right? We had people offering $400 a month. I don't want that, right? I would rather be paid based off of my performance, which I have confidence in, rather than going ahead and, you know, just saying, oh, pay me this much and pay me that much. I think it's a lot more, you know, it's a lot more transparent. You know, it's a lot more transparent. It's a lot less scammy, if you were to put it, right? And yeah, that's it. So check that out if you guys are interested. Again, 20% of the gains every single month. If you have over $30,000, you're welcome to join the program. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading, my friends. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.